Hey guys, what's up? I'm going to say right at the beginning, there are some rules that you have to know for this giveaway, so stick around and I'll be explaining them throughout this video. So, yes, I'm giving away gaming PCs. Now, more realistically, these should be called gaming PC starter kits because they're not entire computers. They are a motherboard, so it'll be a B450M DS3H. I currently have two of them. Pretty nice. 16 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs of G-Skill Ripjaws. It's pretty inexpensive. One of them will probably be a 2600X, and one of them will be maybe a 3600. The CPUs aren't decided yet. One of them will definitely be a 2600X, because it's just, I have an extra, I'm not using it. I don't plan on using it anytime soon, or even making a video about one. So, I have an extra 2600X. The other one will be decided, and an RX 580. So, it'll be a motherboard, a CPU, probably a cooler of some kind. I'll definitely end up putting one on. So they come with stock coolers and 16 gigs of RAM, RX 580 motherboard. So it's a starter kit. All that's missing is a case, a PSU, and I think that's it. And storage. Storage is just, even though it's kind of cheap right now, it's expensive. And anytime I buy storage, I really need to start buying more for myself because I record in 4K, which takes up a lot of space. That's the point. So PC starter kits. What is included? All of this stuff. What are the rules? So, this is the last giveaway on this channel that we're going to do this way, but here's what's going to happen. I want to hit 1,000 subs in a week, or 10,000 subs in a week. Not 1,000, we're way past that. I want to hit 10,000 subs in a week. So, a week from when this video is posted, well, probably the next day after, but basically, a day after this video is posted, we have 1 week to hit 10,000 subs. It looks like a lot, but it should be pretty easy. Now, if we don't worry, I'll still be giving away one of these, but there will be 2 of these given away on the date that we hit 1,000 or 10,000 subscribers if it's within the next week. 2 of these starter kits, so that's B450M DS3H, G-Skill memory, so like 16 gigs in each, 2600X, RX 580. That's what's going to be, and of course, cooler. I keep getting to say it. That's what's going to be in each one of the kits. There will be 2 given away if we hit 10,000 subs within a week. Now, if we don't, I will give away one of them whenever we hit 10,000 subs. So this will be the one. I won't be continuing making videos about this. This is just the rule. So when we hit 10,000 subs, I'll be giving away one of these. But if we do it within a week, I'll give away 2. I have the extra stuff. Now, the reason I'm giving away these kits and not doing whole PCs are not only very expensive to build, so I get all the stuff, they're very expensive to ship. I save enough money building these kind of starter kit PCs that I can do 2 of them if I hit it within a week. Because it's just a goal of mine. I want to get rid of all these old stuff. These motherboards are relatively inexpensive. When I buy it with a 2600X, it comes for $40. I get this for $40 if I buy it with a 2600X. So in all, I pay like $150 to get a 2600X and this. This RAM is about $50, and these GPUs are about $100 each. I find some good deals. But that's the point. Let's not go to cost. So what are the rules? You guys want to know the rules of this giveaway? Well, it's the same way we do a lot of them here on the channel. You comment once. In the comment section, we go through the comments. Every single channel that comments in the description below is entered once. That's it. But there are 2 rules that will get you disqualified. 2 actions in general. Actually 3. Let's add a 3rd one because I can. Action number 1. Do not type the word entry. I don't want to see 1,000 comments that say entry. I know it's a giveaway, but just honestly anything else. Except for do not beg and do not complain. Telling me your sob story is not going to get you extra entries. I don't pick the winner. It is every single channel name is manually put into a bot, which just randomly picks a person. 1 entry. We're doing 1 entry this time. Now, I will leave links in the description below to some other places I would like you to follow, but I cannot force you to. But all I'm saying is right now, no begging, no complaining. No complaining about how bad your current setup is and that's why you need this. And no begging, like, I need it so bad because I only have an Xbox. I don't care. You'll be disqualified for that. You can really comment anything else. Comment, it doesn't even have to do with the video. Now, you do, I should say, I don't want to say you have to be subscribed. If you win, I will ask you to public your subscriptions just to see that you are subscribed. So it only helps if you're subscribed. And also this ends at if we hit 10k subs in a week, so subscribe. I'm not going to be like, you have to subscribe. Full honesty, I can't check anymore. They made it so we can't really check who is and who isn't subscribed unless their subscriptions are public. So I will ask you at that point to public your subscriptions, or honestly, just send me a screenshot that you're subscribed. But that's the point. So just please be subscribed, and also please like the video. Again, I can't force you to like, and I can't check if you've liked. I know you can public your liked videos, but I don't care about that. I ask now that you like the video. It would be great if you did. If you don't, that's entirely your choice. Maybe you don't like the giveaway. That's entirely up to you. I would just like it if you liked the video. It just helps me get more views on this because that is the goal. The goal of the giveaway is, yes, full honesty time. The goal of this giveaway is to get 10,000 subs and a bunch of views. And in turn, you get a bunch of people to come to your channel. Basically, that's my goal. I'm not just some great person who's like, I want to give stuff away because I'm Mr. Beast. No, I do want to gain subs, but this is pretty inexpensive way. I'll pay $300 or whatever all this has ended up costing. I think it was like $550 for all of this, which is pretty insane. I do live near a micro center. That's how I afford a lot of this stuff. So yeah, it'll be 1 entry per person. Now, what I used to do is I used to give extra entries for following on Twitter and all that stuff. It's just too much work to count all those extra entries this time. So what we'll be doing is I will leave a link to my Twitter, my Twitch, my Discord, and my second vlog channel that I just started because I am a crazy person, where I just want to do really stupid stuff that just wouldn't match this kind of giveaway and tech channel going here. So there's a second channel in the description. Those are all optional. I do giveaways in Discord. I do giveaways on Twitter. I do most of my giveaway stuff on Twitch. Because Twitch, I do stuff for my subs, I do stuff for followers, for viewers, watch time translates to entries for giveaways and PCs and stuff. All like that stuff is happening on Twitch. So Twitch is the best place to go for now. So 1 entry per person, comment below, and every name will be entered. This is international. Do not ask, it's international. Because if it wasn't, I would lose so many people, so many views just missing out on that. Yes, although I could end up costing me $200 import fees to send it to places like India, I will take that sacrifice in order to get more subs. That's about it. So yes, it is entirely international. If you can watch this video, I can send it. That's basically how it works. So that's really it. Anything else? So basically, I'll send it either like this. If you want parts, you can ask for parts. If you want me to, put the RAM in the RAM slots, I think this is the right way. If it's not, I'm going to be embarrassed. I could do... Wow, I guess I can't. There we go. This is some freaking tough RAM. This is really tough RAM. Okay. I can put it in the RAM slots and put in the CPU and everything for you if you want. I've committed already, so I'm doing this. There we go. So that was embarrassing. I couldn't get that RAM in. But, I could put it in and I'll set it up and put on the cooler and even I'll put in the graphics card and connect my own power supply and just, they're already tested. These are all tested components. When I buy anything new, I don't leave it in the box. I test it right away to make sure I got something, especially for Micro Center. I have gotten a few broken things there, which is fine. You just go and return them. But that's the point. These are all tested, but if you want it built, I will build it for you. But like I said, you will be on your own to buy a case, power supply, and storage for your PC. Now, if I'm forgetting a part, it's going to be really embarrassing. But that's the point. So, this is what I'll be sending. This is so much cheaper than sending a whole PC, and like I said, it saves me a lot of money. I'm talking $50 for a case, $100 for a power supply. That's a lot of money saved, and storage as well. It's like $20 to $100. So, that's really it. That's the rules for the giveaway. That's how I'll be doing it. 10,000 subs in a week. I do 2, and if not, I'll just do 1 when we hit 10k subs. I've asked you to like the video. I've put links in the description below where I do other giveaways. Those are the best places to follow. It would just be nice if you follow. I would like to hit 1,000 followers on Twitter in soon. We have a lot of people on our Discord who are pretty inactive, so kind of get some more active people. Try to be active in Discord. Because I do want to start doing Discord-only giveaways, just because it's like, at everyone. Vote now. Giveaway. That's the point. Now I'm just talking to you. So yeah, links in the description below. It's 1 comment per entry. Yes, 1 person comments once. 1 entry per person. You comment once. You can comment multiple times, but you only get 1 entry. Each name's entered once. If we accidentally enter a name twice, it'll just show up as a 2 next to the name. Delete it, put a 1. It's pretty simple. Thank you, my friend who coded this bot. So yeah, 1 comment per person. No begging, no complaining, no typing the word entry, because it's just so annoying. Like, I don't, like, and honestly, anybody who clearly, the reason I do rules is because anyone who clearly clicked on the video, scrolled down to the comments, and copied something that someone else said, they will be disqualified. AKA, when people type entry, people will click the video, instantly scroll down to the comments, and then see, oh, well, look, everyone typed entry, let me do that. So that's why I do it like this. I want people to be rewarded for watching the video, in which case you won't get disqualified. So yeah, that's really it. That's all the rules. It's international, as I've said again. I know it's kind of unorganized, but I do just want to get this video up because I did promise my Discord would be up tonight. So that's the giveaway rules. Ugh, man, I'm bad at English. Giveaway rules. These are good components. 2600X is great for gaming. This B450 MDS3H is more than enough. I've used it in multiple builds. I used it in my price to performance build. These are pretty good parts. So they'll have the choice. I think I have one Wi-Fi and one without Wi-Fi. So that'll be a choice as well. That's the point. As again, so this is the giveaway. Leave a like, leave a dislike, whatever you want. Good luck, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.